To set your profile as persistent in the Logitech G Hub software, first thing to do is right-hand corner, click on this cog for the G Hub settings. And here in the middle, we've got a persistent profile. We're going to change that from none to your desired profile. In this case, I want to keep the Revit profile persistent. It's going to ask you, would you like to disable all per profile settings and profile switching and make this profile persistent? Hit yes. And there you go. So what this will do is, doesn't matter which program you switch into, it will keep this Revit profile locked in. And you can do that across different profiles if you'd like to.